Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today in this online class session of accountancy, I am going to start a new chapter, dissolution of a partnership firm. This is chapter 6 of DK Goel. First of all, understand the meaning of dissolution of a partnership firm. Dissolution of a partnership firm, the definition as given in the book is: dissolution of partnership firm means that the firm closes down its business and comes to an end. Means the partnership firm is winding up its business, that is closing down its business, and when the business of the firm is closed down or winded up, then what happens? All the assets of the firm are sold, and whatever liabilities are outstanding, they are also paid off. Okay. And a special account is prepared for selling the assets of the firm and paying off the liability of the firm. And that account is known as realization account. Okay. All three accounts are prepared in this chapter. Mainly realization account, partners capital account, and cash or bank account. In addition, one more account is prepared if the data related to the partner's loan is given in the balance sheet. Okay. Normally, three accounts are prepared: realization account, partners capital account, and cash or bank account. And the fourth account, partners loan account, is only prepared when the data related to the partner's loan is given in the balance sheet of the firm. Right. So, as mentioned here, the very first account to be prepared is realization account. Let us understand the format of realization account. The format is given on page number 6.12 of DK Goel. Let me explain you how the posting is made within this account, that is realization account. In the realization account, whatever posting is made is based on the balance sheet mentioned in the question, as well as the additional information given in the question. First of all, from the balance sheet, we need to copy all the assets and liabilities on the opposite side of the in the realization account. Opposite side means all the liabilities that are present on the left hand side of the balance sheet are posted on the right hand side of the balance sheet. Realization account, sorry. Right. And all the assets which are present on the right hand side of the balance sheet are posted on the left hand side of the realization account. Okay. Keep in mind, again I am repeating, all the assets are present on the right hand side of balance sheet, that is on the asset side, are posted on the left hand side of the realization account, and all the liabilities which are present on the left hand side of the balance sheet, that is liability side, are posted on the right hand side of the realization account. But some exceptions are there when we record all the assets and liabilities within the realization account. That exceptions are mentioned here within the brackets. About liabilities, it is mentioned that we have to exclude these items which are appearing on the liability side. These items are PL account, credit balance, because this balance is posted in the capital account, as already I have explained you in the chapter admission, retirement, and death. Okay. The PL, that is profit appearing on the liability side, is posted on the right hand side of the capital account. Similar cases with reserve. All the reserves are posted on the right hand side of the capital account. Partner's capital or current account balance, loan from partner. Okay, right. So these all the items are excluded when posting is done from capital account to the realization account. Similarly, we have to exclude these items when assets are posted from the right hand side, that is asset side of the balance sheet, to the left hand side of the realization account. These items are cash or bank balance given on the asset side, fictitious assets, there, for example, goodwill, patent, trademark, etc. Okay. PL debit balance, that is the loss. Debit balance of partner, if mentioned in the question that the partner is having a debit balance. Okay, loan to partner. These all the items are excluded from being posted to the realization account from the balance sheet asset side. Now you are seeing that all the assets are posted on the left hand side of the realization account. Now we need to see the additional information regarding the assets which are sold. All these assets which are posted on the debit side, when sold or taken by any partner, then its treatment is done on the opposite side of the realization account. That is, if the assets are sold or taken by any partner, its treatment will be shown on which side? On the credit side. Okay, see here. The third item on the credit side of realization account, by bank or cash. It is indicating that the assets are realized, means sold. Okay. Similarly, if there is any unrecorded asset which was not recorded on the asset side of the balance sheet and now it was sold, its treatment will also be shown on the credit side of realization account. And if any asset is taken by any partner, then we have to mention his name on the credit side of the realization account as by XYZ capital account, and we have to mention the name of the asset taken over by him. Okay. If there is any reserve, okay, that is provision on any asset, such as provision for DD, doubtful debt, provision for debt, all those reserves will also be posted on which side? All these provisions, that is provision for doubtful debt and provision for debt, these type of provisions will be posted on the credit side of the realization account. Okay, keep in mind. All the liabilities which are posted on the credit side of realization account, if they are paid off, then its treatment will be shown on which side? On the opposite side, that is on the debit side, by the name to bank or cash. Amount paid for discharging the liabilities. Discharging means paying off the liabilities. Similarly, if any liability is borne by the partner, then his name is written. Okay, right? See here, to partner's capital account, in bracket we have written liabilities taken over by a partner or any expenses paid by him or remuneration commission payable to him, right? All these things are posted on the debit side of realization account. Okay. Similarly, if there is any liability which was not recorded earlier, but its payment was made in the mentioned in the additional information, then we need to show it on the debit side of realization account by the name to bank or cash, in bracket it is mentioned amount paid for unrecorded liabilities. Okay. In the process of Dissolution, when the assets are sold, liabilities are paid off, some expenses are also incurred. Those all the expenses are shown on the debit side of realization account. Just keep in mind all the expenses are shown on the debit side of realization account and all the incomes are shown on the credit side of realization account. One more point to be added here. Okay, within the format, all the expenses are shown on the debit side of realization account, or all the incomes are shown on the credit side of realization account. Okay, now at last what we need to do, we have to subtract the debit side and credit side total with each other. If the balance is short on the debit side of realization account, then it will be treated as a profit, and profit will be transferred to all the partners in the profit sharing ratio. Similarly, if the debit side total is more than the credit side total, then there will be a loss, and loss will be also transferred to partners capital account in the profit sharing ratio. So this was the format of realization account. Okay, on the basis of this format, you can easily pass the journal entries. All the things which are shown on the debit side of realization account, it's their side is in reality the opposite side, while we passes the journal entry, we show them on the opposite side. Means all the debit side items will be shown on the credit side while passing the journal entry. And this debit side is of realization account. For example, I am passing the journal entry for all the things which are posted on the debit side. Realization account debit to all assets, to bank, to partners capital account. Okay, realization account debit to all assets, to bank, to partners capital account. Okay, and similar treatment will be done. Realization account debit to the name of the partner. Okay, for transferring the profit. In the similar way, these all the things or items which are posted on the credit side while passing the journal entry will be shown on the debit side. Liabilities account debit, provision on any asset debit, bank account debit, partners capital account debit. Okay, and these partners capital account will also be debited to realization account. This credit side is of realization account and this debit side is also of realization account. So in the journal entry format, if you want to pass the journal entry on the basis of this account, then you have to just change the side of all the things which are posted within this account. Okay, debit side item will be posted on the credit side and credit side items will be posted on the debit side. This debit and credit side is of realization account, the account in which they are posted. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, have a nice day.